Welcome back to the Waterside Holiday Group. I'm Vinny, and today we're at the Bowleaze Cove Showground to check out our ex-demonstrator Regal Cranleigh Lodge, available at a reduced price. Come and take a look around with me. Stepping through your main door, we're greeted by the kitchen, and it's got everything you could want, with your raised oven and microwave with plenty of storage going around. Over to this side with the 5-burner hob and modern extractor above. All of those built-in appliances, including the dishwasher and washing machine. And above us is a double skylight flooding the kitchen with natural light. In the center of the kitchen here, we've got the freestanding dining table and 4 chairs with plenty of room to get the whole family together for a lovely meal. Follow me into your lounge. We're surrounded by freestanding furniture, super comfortable, and it's a nice nook feeling as you step down into this area. We've got a featured fireplace, beautiful television point, and modern radiators. This also spreads the full width of the holiday home, which is 13 foot wide, so it feels nice and spacious. Out the front, we've got 2 French doors, stepping out onto what will be your decking space. Follow me to the back half of the lodge. The first door on your left is the twin room. And what's really great about this room is the space in the middle of the beds. It's not often that you have this much room to walk down. We've got great storage with the wardrobe, overhead storage, and even a television point. Across from your twin bedroom, we come to the family shower room, which is super modern with the black fixtures and fittings, a nice large walk-in shower, basin and toilet next door to your heated towel rail. And one of my favorite parts about this lodge is the master bedroom. In here we have the king size bed, featured lighting either side with the paneling behind, a big double wardrobe with the sliding glass doors, and even your own dressing area tucked away in the corner. And on the other side of your bedroom is your very own full ensuite with the walk-in shower, basin, toilet, and the heated towel rail again. And Regal have not wasted any space. Check out this cozy window seat. So this lodge is available at Chesil Beach Holiday Park or Bowleaze Cove Holiday Park and Spa. So why not book an experience day to check out both parks, all the facilities, and even have lunch on us? Just click the link below or give us a call on 01 305 836 836. I look forward to seeing you soon.